Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. I got my Boxycharm. So this is April 2018's box. Boxycharm is $21 per month and you always get over $100 retail value. So it's 100% worth every single penny. I love Boxycharm. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for a really long time and I will continue to do so as long as the box stays this good, which they are always going to be. So when you open up this card, it's a little bit of a different, it's a foldable card this time. Normally we get a, like a postcard. So it says eye candy. And so that looks like the theme. And then here is all the products that I got in my box. So I'm super excited. Looks like I got really, really good ones. First one up is the Tartist Pro Glow. And this is in the color called Exposed. So this is cool. It's a $29 value. So it is a highlighter. Here's a swatch. Ooh, that looks really, really pretty. Really pretty, but not over the top. I'm going to try on. Put this little guy on. Ooh, that's nice, huh? Really pretty. And this is exactly the color that I would choose to wear. So this is awesome. Because that could have gone, there could have been a choice of 3 different colors. So I'm really happy about this. That is a absolutely gorgeous highlight. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. Very cool. So next, I'm just going in order on the card. The next thing is from ColourPop. It's the Semi Precious palette. And I will go ahead and swatch this for you. So it's cool to see ColourPop. I've not tried the ColourPop shadows. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. Super duper pretty. So I've never tried their pressed. Ooh, they're soft. I've never tried the pressed. I've only tried their, you know, the semi, what are those called? The Ultra Shock or something like that. Ooh, great pigmentation on those. So that's the first 4 colors. And then we'll do the last. The fallout doesn't appear to be horrible either. Like, I'm able to swatch these pretty good. And then we're this green. What do you guys think? Pretty, huh? Wow, I'm impressed with the pigmentation for those. Like I said, this is the first time I've tried the ColourPop pressed shadows. These are very, very pretty. Look like it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. So I got the Semi Precious. Gorgeous. I guess I can throw the box out. I don't need that anymore. And then next, oh, and that was a $26 value. Next is a high definition liquid lip from the brand called, oops, Ades. And here it is. I got a nice nude color. Let's see, what is this gonna look? Oh, that's my highlight. Oh wow, we're going over the highlight. Oh, it's like brown. I'll try it on. Okay, so it says that it's a high definition liquid lipstick. So let's see. Huh. Well, it's glossy. It's brown. It's kind of weird to get a brown lippy in the spring, although it doesn't feel like spring here in Michigan. So this, I mean, it's beautiful. It is really beautiful because it's glossy and it's still a liquid lipstick. So I'm hoping it'll wear more comfortably than a liquid lip, and it's a little sticky, not bad. So I'll be curious to see how this wears. I like it. I mean, I'm just not crazy about the color this time of year, but you know what? It's okay. I can definitely do something with this for sure. I don't know what high definition means, but at the brand Ades, it says here that they're cruelty-free. They have the leaping bunny on them, on their brand, and it is a $24 value. Let's see. Next is from Dr. Brandt. Ooh, this is a $47 value. This is a vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. That's a mouthful, huh? So this is a 5 to 10 minute mask, it says here. So you guys know I'll be doing this on a Mask Monday for sure. That is super cool. Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I love Dr. Brandt's products. I really, really do. Everything I've gotten from that brand has been really good. So, and that's nice, expensive products, so that's very cool. Next I got from the Brow Gal. This is the Instant Tint Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So, I don't know. Whew, I don't know about brown hair from me, but it might work. Hey, I think it's gonna work fine. I don't think it's too dark. It doesn't look like it's too dark. It almost looks like a taupey color. So this is super cool, and I think it looks really good. I actually love the brand the Brow Gal, her brand. I've got a lot of stuff in this brand. I've got, because they show up in subscription boxes a lot, I've got this, I've got a brow highlighter type deal here, and this Brow Gal palette that I use all the time. So I'm super happy to receive this this tint. I also use her clear brow gel all the time as well. So you guys, I love this brand. They're great brand for your brows. So definitely give them a check. And that is it, guys. That's $22 value for that Insta Tint. So overall, this box was $148 value. Like, that is huge. 100% worth that $21 that you pay a month. I'm happy with everything I got in this box. This is gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So the lippy, the color's funny, but it's pretty, right? I don't think that it's ugly. Doesn't make my teeth look yellow or any funny stuff like that. So the Tartus, awesome. Dr. Brandt, awesome. Everything is just perfect. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you for the May unboxing. Bye, everyone.